Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. Yes, on this channel we do a lot about car staffing, and today is one of my bi-weekly car staffing that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna car staff my bill binder and also my daily wallet. And for those of you who have been following me for a long time, I don't play with those wallets. I love my wallets. So the bill binder is the same as my fixed expenses, and I'm just 2 weeks ahead. So all this that I'm going to cast staff is going to take care of my last week bills in this month. This first week is already been paid off. I did cast staff it in April. So I'm going to cast staff for the last 2 weeks in May, and we are already ahead of that. So before I get paid, I do my budget and I do everything. And I have 4 categories that I deal with: bill binder, daily bill binder, which is the same as fixed expenses. My daily wallet is the same as my variable expenses. And I also deal with my sinking fund, which is very important to me. And I also deal with my savings and investment. So those are the 4 categories that comes in my budget. Anytime I get paid or my husband get paid, we pay our tithe. We pick some of the money to pay ourselves. Paying ourselves means that not just taking the money and putting in our wallet that we're going to spend. No. Normally we do invest, we do save. And each of us will decide which way we want to put the savings. And also I put mine in the savings challenge, which we have a lot going on in our savings challenge. Then after we does that, we do our bill binder, our variable expense, which is the same as my daily wallet. Then we will do our sinking fund. So we kind of have a structure that both of us love and we follow. We talk about finances like our daily routine, which makes it very, very, very nice because we are kind of open when it comes to a lot of stuff, and finances is one of them. So I love it, he love it that we talks about the finances. So that's good. That's one of the things that help us going. So because you guys can tell marriage is hard. For those of you who are married, have a lot of kids, it's hard. So, but with God being on our side, putting God's in makes it easy for us. But finances is one of the things that makes marriage difficult. If there's no understanding, it's very, very difficult for the marriage. But for ours, I would say so far so good. Not that we talk about it. It comes up, we talk about it, and we are like, okay, this is how we're going to do it. We agree on what we're going to do if something comes up. So that's cool. So today we're going to do like I said, my bill expenses, which is the same as fixed expenses, and my variable, which is the same as my daily. So let's go ahead. I have the money here, and we're going to count it and put it in the tray. I need my calculator as usual. And this one is for bills and variables. It's for bills and daily expenses. So normally it's quite a lot of money. So let's see how much we're going to put it in those 2 binders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 2,000 already. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 400. Then I have 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 3, 320, 340. have $5. So that's fine. So we have 2,745. So that's how much we're going to put in those two binders. So let's go ahead, put this on the side. Then let me start with my daily wallet. My daily wallet, I can't go without it. I always have it with me. And the wallet is I still have some available in my shop. This is how it look like. Let me move this a little. This is how it look like. It come in the V shape. It says 7. And I don't sell with the wallet, no. You can buy it and get the wallet. The wallet is very common on Etsy shop. Like most of the cat stuff is sell it. But like I said, somebody asked me why I'm not selling the envelopes. I don't want to disappoint people because I'm still a full-time employee. I'm still a full-time mom. I'm still a full-time a lot of stuff. So I don't want to promise people and I won't deliver. But for the wallet, I already have it. So when you buy it, I can. And when you buy it, I add the chains to it already for you, ready to go. So you don't have to worry about buying the chain. So I have this. Very cute. Very, very cute. So for my personal, I'm only doing 20. Okay. For blessing, I'm doing 50. For grocery, I'm doing 300. For gas, I'm doing 40. For Sam's Club, I'm doing 100. For Flash as food. For date night, we just already spent a lot of money on my birthday, so we are not doing that. Eating out, no. Local store, no, we are not going there now. For clothing, no. For my nails, I'm putting in 20. I know I have to go do my nails, but not right now. I'm trying to keep this by the end of the month. Then maybe I'll do a new one for June. Then for hair, no, now. For miscellaneous, I'm doing 20. For my hair, I'm getting it done mostly for free for now. So I don't want to worry about that right now. So this is what we have for my daily expenses. Personal blessings, grocery, gas. I have Sam's Club or Costco. I have Flash is our turtle. That's our pet. We have a date night, eating out and fun, local store, clothes, nails, hair, miscellaneous, and I have a bank run. Okay, so that's all for my daily wallet. So this is how the wallet comes, and it comes with the wood that you put the chain in, but I already have it in such a way that your wallet will come with a chain already. And I also sell the chain separate. For those of you who have bags and you want to have the chain separate, I also have it on my Etsy shop, which I have it in the description below. You can check it out. So let me put my wallet on the side, and I'll do my bill binder. So for my bill binder, this is how it look like. As you can see, it's also a wallet I sell. I have it in 5 colors. I have it in gray, white, black, pink, and peach. And I also have this form in A6. No, this is A6, and I have it in A7 as well. It's just a few of them running out, but I still have some. So this is my bill binder. I love this binder. It contains a lot of envelopes. This one I have about, let me see how many envelopes I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It can go up to 20 envelopes. Yeah, I can. This is very nice wallet. Quality wise, very good. I've been receiving the reviews. It has a lot of space. So in case you need one, check my Etsy shop or my website. All of them are in my link below. So let's do my bills. So for my mortgage, I divide into 2. Every paycheck I divide it, and because I'm 2 weeks ahead, I can start this one. When I get paid, I'll do another cash staffing for my mortgage, and I'll have it for the month coming. So that's how I'm doing it. So mortgage is getting 1,050. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50. So I do a spread bill when it comes to my mortgage. For my debt, for my phone, not this time. For my debt, which is my student loan, is getting 100. For electricity, no, that's not for this coming 2 weeks. For gas, no. For internet, I'll put 20. For this one is in the bills that my husband takes care of. So when I get a lot of money, I give it to him. But I put it in the budgets just to show that I put it in the budget so that in case he cannot pay, I'll still have money to pay. So that's it, because we budget everything that we have. For car insurance, it's getting 300. But that one is due end of the month. Like I said, this bills is for the next 2 weeks that is coming, because I'm already 2 weeks ahead. For cricket, no. For subscription, I'll put 20. Now I always leave the money in. For social media, no, not this time. For investment, I'll do 50. For high heel savings account, I'm gonna do 50. For Apple, not this time. For Roth, no, we are not doing it. And I will explain why we are not doing Roth in a different video. It's a whole different thing. For miscellaneous, when it comes to my miscellaneous, those are the temporary bills that I know they will pass. Like my son's trip, which is coming up. This month will be my last month that I'm paying for the trip. So that one gets $200. I also save money for the kids' cafe, for their school cafe. If they eat from school, I get bills for that. That one is $55. and that one I know is going to be temporary. I also have stuff that I support, and that one is about 150, so I'm going to add that one too to it. So that one goes into my miscellaneous. Then for this money is gonna go to, let me see, for upcoming activities. We have stuff for kids insurance. I know I pay about $100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one goes into kids insurance. I think it's about $100 or more. Or let me do that one, 120. Yeah, then I'll put this money in the kids at upcoming activities. The kids have been going for piano, so I have to make the money ready. So I'll leave this one in the upcoming activity, because when they do a monthly one, it's about $240. So that's how much, 80 going to the upcoming activity. Super signing. Okay. So that's all for the bill binder. So for my bills, I have mortgage, I have phone, debt, which is my student loan, electricity, I have home gas, internet, car insurance, cricket, subscription, social media. I have investments, high yield savings account, Apple One. We have Apple subscriptions from, especially for me, to keep my video space and stuff, iCloud and all that. Roth IRA. We have miscellaneous, we have kids insurance, and we have upcoming activity. So that's all for the bill binder. Super excited I'm able to do this ahead of time. So thanks for watching me today. If you have any question about this system, feel free to leave in the comment below. I'll be so happy to answer. Thank you for clicking on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my video. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.